Kipper. Hello, Pig. Arnold. I'm off to the jungle soon. Yes, we've already been. I made Kipper get rid of all his old junk. What is that? That's the statue of Abraham Lincoln. What is that? That's the answer. Well, that's the windmill we just saw. Zooming with all my skull was a lion's tail. Yeah, you were petrified, weren't you? Oh, to the jungle soon. Clean armies. That's good. That's those guys. That's the king. That's the king. That's Chick Hicks. And that's Lightning McQueen.